and a little bit more. They don't know how you like it.
What's up, it's QueenSit, and I am here to review the Sissy Mod Bandit helmet. What's up, it's QueenSit. I'm back with another video. Shout out to you for stopping by my channel. Thank you so much for making time to click that button. While you're here, go ahead and like this video, subscribe if you like what I'm talking about and what we're doing, and join me on this journey. All right, so this has been a crazy week, but I will say, let me start off by saying I had a really rough week last week. My grandmother passed away, so I had to take care of, family business and all of that. You finna ride?
I ain't riding on that.
You ain't gonna get on?
No.
Why not?
My house and my hair blowing, I can't take it.
But we are back with another video. Shout out to everybody who wished me condolences and positive vibes. I really, truly appreciate it. All right, so today we are going to start this video off talking about this Sissy bar on the back of my bike. People have been asking, where did I get this Sissy bar from? Everyone always wants to know, and it's just so many comments to just keep writing it back. So I decided, hey, let's drop a video about it. So shout out to this company, Siouxicide Choppers, for sponsoring this video. And we're gonna talk more about it. At the end of this video, I'm gonna show you some clips of me riding, some clips of me hanging out with family, things like that. You know how I do. So on my channel, it's all positive vibes, positive energy, and I appreciate y'all. Let's go. Okay, so Siouxicide Choppers sent me a package, so let me go get it. All right, boom, we have a package. I'm so excited. I already opened it. I have all these stickers. I'm just dropping everything out, but let me show you. Oh, that's their logo, Siouxicide Choppers. So they sent me this package. It's a new item to add to my bike, so I'm so excited. I'm getting ready to open it up. So let's talk about it. Boom. Okay, so here we are. We have this crazy dope luggage rack to add to the back of my motorcycle. So on my motorcycle right now, there's a Sissy bar, and it's black. I have the small one. If you go to their website, I have the smaller Sissy bar, and I think I have the thickest width. I'll try to drop that below. But that is what I have on my motorcycle, because people, like tour packs. But for me, in my style of riding, I like the Sissy bar look. I come from a street bob, a 2017 Dyna street bob, and I just kind of like that Sissy bar vibe that I have on a bike. So I never had a Sissy bar on my Dyna, but I've always wanted one. So when I saw this company, Siouxicide Choppers, I was like, I have to put this Sissy bar on the back of my Road Glide. So that's where they came from. So Siouxicide Choppers, we talked, and we have another item to add to the bike. I have the luggage rack, and it has the finger on there. All right, so I think it's super dope. It's super high quality. Like, this is well made. So shout out to Siouxicide Choppers. Make sure you follow them on Instagram and Facebook. Sometimes they have promo codes and discounts and things like that. You want to catch it. But if not, definitely worth the investment. I absolutely love these. So I will be putting this on my motorcycle. It's raining today, so I'm not going to go outside, but make sure you subscribe so you can see what this new piece will look like on my Road Glide. All right. All right, so now you can kind of see it a little better. Boom. Okay, so this is the luggage rack. It'll sit on the back of my bike like this. We will go out and I will record a video putting it on the bike so you can see it. It has the hook on the back, and mic check. And my Sissy bar has the hook on the back. So I think it's gonna be a fire combination. So make sure you check it out. Do you prefer a tour pack or a sissy bar? Tour pack, sissy bar. Two totally different looks on road glides and street glides, and road kings. So let me know which one you prefer. A way to take food home when you're riding your motorcycle. Tie the first strap behind your meal. Tie the second strap in front of the meal. Cross the two straps, making an X. Secure the strap. Pull the strap and tighten it. Repeat this for the other side, and now you're ready to ride. Let's go. Get you a little pizza. Put your pizza on your motorcycle. Get you two little straps, crisscross them, and strap them to your bike. Get you a little cup holder. Drive a little bit, and we home. Let's go. Shout out to my best friend for sending me some Cash App money to go get a pizza so I could feel better today. Yeah, strap that emos on the back. If you're from St. Louis, you know what time it is.
All right, have a good day.
Nice meeting you. Have a good day.
Be careful, don't fall.
Right. Thank you so much for sticking with me. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. I truly appreciate you for being here. Go ahead and like, subscribe, stay here with me, join the QueenSit family. I really appreciate it. I'm from St. Louis, by the way. And let me know what you think, all right? So it's QueenSit. Join me next time, and I'm out. Wait, let me fix my hair. Wait, I ain't ready yet. That's Beyonce. All right, I'm gone. Let's go. Before we leave, I will say I have QueenSit merchandise. I have QueenSit hoodies. I have a QueenSit sweatshirts. I have QueenSit hats. We got the Let's Go t-shirts and hoodies. People are buying them. Shout out to you all. That's super dope. And I have some new ones, exclusive ones coming soon. So make sure you check out the website, the QueenSit website. I have so much coming to you. And thank you to everyone who has bought my items and supported me. I truly appreciate it. And when you purchase one of my items, this positive energy and positive vibe, literally, you can feel it when you put it on. No exaggeration. People tell me this all the time. I just want to spread this love. So thank you all for watching. It's QueenSit and I'm out. Let's go.